been a lot of days since I post my last video. As I told you in my community page in YouTube, I'm a little bit busy because it's the last weeks of a school year, so I have a lot of work to do with my students. As well some online classes, so I'm so sorry, but as I promise you, I'm going to react to Morissette Amon song. She's going to sing Fly Like a Bird. A lot of you asked me to react to this song, so as I told you in my community, today I'm going to react to this song, so I hope you like it. Let's go. Wow.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, down like the world, break me tonight, need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold, I pray you come and carry me home. Each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, down like the road, break me tonight, leave the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold, I pray you'll come and carry me home. I need you right now.
Amazing control.
I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. With God's love you'll survive.
Wow.
I need your love, Lord, let me hide. Please let me the world break me tonight, tonight, tonight. I pray you come and take me home. Yeah, I need you. Yeah, carry me higher, 'cause I need the strength of you to survive. Life can be so cold. Carry me home. Carry me
What? Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Amazing this ending. Oh my god. Because in the beginning I never listened this song. I know that it's from Mariah Carey, but I never listened this song. And in the beginning it's like so soft, yeah, doing the rim, and in the end it's like, oh my god, higher, higher, and wow, the last note is like, what? Wow, this girl is amazing. So thank you to the most of you that asked me to react to this song. So thank you so much. I really like it. In some moments, Morissette seems like Mariah Carey. In some moments, but not all the moments. But she can do the things that maybe Mariah only can done done in that year. So not a lot of singers can do what Mariah Carey does, but I think Morissette quite be can sing from lower notes to a higher note, so that's amazing. Wow, thank you so much. I really love it, that cover. I just found uh, out that Morissette has at Lope another video, but I think it's some kind of medley with a lot of people. So maybe I'm going to check that song and react to this one. And I think that Ojin as well has uploaded another video, so I will check it. If you know more songs or if you know more uh, videos that are very now well, famous right now, so please write below and I can react to that song. And so write below, and you know that you can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. Here in the screen you will see my profile. And when I will try to upload now a video per week, because as I told you, I'm quite busy and I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to upload more videos per week, so be patient. I will try on summer holidays to upload more videos per week, so just wait, and I'm going to do more videos, and I'm going to try another thing I have to try before upload it, because the ones you follow me on in Instagram, you have seen that I post a photograph of Sims 4. Yes, I love to play Sims 4, and I want to try to record one of my playings or one of my buildings and upload it to YouTube. I have to try first because I don't know if my computer have enough memory or enough graphics to do that, so I have to try it. So maybe someday you will see a video about Sims, so don't worry. So thank you so much, and of course you can follow me on YouTube and be a member of this big family, and it will be amazing to achieve 100,000 followers. You can follow me on, click the button below, and you can follow me and subscribe in YouTube. I hope you like it. I hope you are safe and well. I hope you like it, this video, and see you in the next reaction video. Bye.